How to replace an ADS Echo battery pack. The steps for replacing the Echo battery pack include removing the monitor from the manhole, opening the monitor and removing the used battery, lowering the replacement battery into the battery box, connecting the battery to the top, closing the monitor, and reinstalling the monitor in the manhole. Manhole and sewer system work involves confined space entry and is inherently dangerous. Therefore, installers and technicians should comply with all federal, state, and municipal regulations concerning confined space entry. The only replacement battery approved for use in the Echo monitor is the ADS 9V IS battery pack, part number 9000-0004. The only service or maintenance activities ADS permits within the monitor enclosure are replacement of the battery pack, SIM card, and processor fuse. Any other modifications to the Echo by individuals other than the certified ADS technicians will void all warranties and the IS certification on the unit. Before heading to the field to swap an Echo battery, make sure you have the following: an Echo battery, the ADS supplied hex key, and a roll of rubber splicing tape. ADS recommends Scotch brand 130C. Remove the Echo from the manhole, keeping the monitor in its vertical orientation. Unwrap the stretch tape and disconnect the antenna. Move the monitor at least 20 feet away from the manhole and place it in a clean, dry location. Once the Echo is a safe distance from the manhole, use the supplied hex key to loosen the 6 screws holding the top to the Echo battery bottom, using a star-shaped pattern. Turn the monitor top up so that you can see the battery connector and disconnect the battery power cable and set the top aside. Inspect the battery box gasket and wipe away any moisture or debris that might be present. Remove the battery retention flange and set aside. Then remove the battery from the bottom using the strap attached to the top of the battery pack. Unbox the replacement battery. Lower the new battery into the Echo battery enclosure. Feed the battery power cable through the retention flange and seat the flange on battery. Orient the curved back of the Echo bottom with the curved back of the top. This will also align the straight front of the bottom with the straight edge of the monitor top. Connect the cable from the battery pack to the monitor top and place the top onto the Echo battery enclosure. Double-check that the cable is not pinched between the top and battery box. Using the supplied hex key, tighten the 6 screws in a star pattern to prevent gasket distortion. Do not over-tighten the screws. When the hex key handle flexes, it is tight enough. Once the battery is installed in the monitor and the monitor is securely sealed, move the Echo to the side of the manhole. Reconnect the antenna and wrap rubber stretch tape around the entire antenna connector, extending the tape 1 to 2 inches beyond the antenna connection point. Verify the new battery voltage by communicating with the Echo via Bluetooth or wireless using QStar XML. New battery voltage should be above 8 volts. Reinstall the monitor in the manhole. ADS is committed to protecting the environment by recycling commonly used items such as batteries. Please contact your local government for the proper battery disposal and recycling practices in your area. For more information, refer to the ADS Echo Operation and Maintenance Manual for more detailed instructions on how to replace an ADS Echo battery pack.